Hey everyone, this has been an unboxing of the Philips Sonicare 9300 Diamond Clean Smart. So this is the Bluetooth connected one. They are on sale for around $200 right now in stores. I got actually mine from Kohl's. Kohl's is also offering a $40 rebate. I'm sure that will probably end in a couple of days here, since today is Friday when I bought this. So take everything out of the box. Get a welcome, setting it up and whatnot. Other papers here. Alright, here is the main box here. So we have our 3 brush heads. Come back to that in a moment. Mine is gray. Comes in, I know, white, black, gray, pink. Might even be some other colors. Alright, so we got clean, white plus, gum health, and deep clean plus. I think you'll save your intensity up here as well. And there are 3 intensities. Alright, then it's got this really cool charging glass. There. And here's the actual charger. So it's like wireless charging. Yeah. Snaps in there and of course plugs into a wall. That way you can charge it and it looks nice and elegant. Nothing else in there. There, a nice case. It says Philips on the top. And a spot for, was it 2 heads and your, there we go. Alright, so you got 3 heads here. So this is the premium plaque control brush head. Then we got the premium gum care brush head. And last but not least is the premium white brush head here. Then you also do get 3 of these nice little plastic covers there as well. So here it is. I put on the plaque control one for now. So we'll go over this a little bit. So again, this is Bluetooth. You can hook it up to the Philips Sonicare app on your phone, on your smartphone if you want. Again, we got clean, white plus, gum health, and deep clean. So when you're on this mode, just hit it and then you can change which one you want to be on. So say I want to do deep clean, then you hit the power button and it'll turn on. And see there's 3 intensities. Or hit it again. Or see me hit the button there. And I'll go to first intensity or lowest, medium, and then highest. Yeah, so that's the basics of it. Then you just let it sit here and it should turn itself off over, I don't know what it is, a half a minute or a minute or something like that. Yeah, so that is my unboxing of the 9300 series Sonicare. Alright, thank you all very much for watching. Hope you guys have a good one. Goodbye.